beneath the palm trees, you can leave your worries. Listen to the
Hey guys, what's good? We're back with another video. Today's hair is from Arabella, So I'm just kidding, y'all, but it is from Arabella. I love that name. So yeah, I'm showing you guys everything that comes inside the packages. I love when I get combs. I love when I get wig caps, and you know the little accessories that they give, like the headbands, and you know, of course, the elastic bands and some clips, y'all. Every time I try to use or stick with the products that they give me in the box to include in video, I always forget, so I do apologize about that. I'm gonna work on that, work hard on doing that. But I'm gonna show you guys what this hair looks like straight out the package, and it was so freaking beautiful. I almost cried. It's like I'm being extra, but y'all, I love this freaking wig. Oh yeah, you guys are probably wondering, what is this wig? I do have their 360 body wave wig, and this is in the inches of 22, sis, 22. So this is just me, testing it, feeling the hair, smelling the hair. By the way, did not have any smell. I didn't I'm choking, didn't even get any type of tangling or shedding when I just took her out the box. But I'm showing you guys the construction. I love the way they have their drawstring sewed onto this unit. It was so bomb. I love also that the lace is tinted, sis, so less work for me. But I really love the construction of this unit. By the way, like I said, it is a 360 unit, so sis, you can put her in the ponytail. So stay tuned for an upcoming video on this hair, because I will be styling an updo where you guys can see the fullness of it, or what your hair will look like if you want to put her in a nice slick back ponytail. Okay, but this is just me showing you guys the curl pattern before I get ready to alter it. Y'all, it was so freaking beautiful. I just wanted to leave it like this and put it on my head and go. So like I said, this is the back of the head. Like I said, it's 360, so you are safe to put it in a ponytail. She was just so beautiful. But today, y'all, I'm trying something new. I'm actually doing the split method. So one side is going to be its original color it came in, and then I'm gonna color the other side. So I did use 𝚯 bleach and 𝚯 developer. In the developer was in I think it was a 40. Yeah, so I did bleach it 2 times, and then I went in to try to get the brassiness and the yellowy and orangey tones out with my purple shampoo. Alright, so we are going in with real purple. So this is the first color that I decided to go with. Now I was going to do this whole section of my hair purple. I wanted like a vibrant, bold purple look, since I've did a purple tone, but it was like a bright pink. I don't even know, like lavender pink. I'm saying pink, I meant purple. Lavender purple, but I wanted like a dark, deep violet, bold purple. And sis, using the watercolor method with this was just a hideous mess. I was not getting the color that I was looking for, so I just ended up using this as a base for my blue hair. So as you guys can see, it was just coming out ugly and fugly and was just looking very nasty. I was like, no sis, I wasn't even gonna waste no more dye trying to get it to be its darker. Now I feel like if I just had took it and actually just used the dye straight out the bottle, and applied it without trying to use the watercolor method, it probably wouldn't have looked like that. But to the point where water dilutes the dye, it actually created a lighter shade than what I was going for. So the next 2 dyes, well, this one is indigo blue by Adore, and then I'm using navy blue by Adore, and I'm going to mix those two, well, not together at the same time. I'm just going to go in, put the blue on, and then I'm going to go back and put the navy blue on, and you guys get my drift. So I will be back once I have finished coloring. Like I said, the watercolor method is very quick and I love it, but yeah. All right, sis, so look at her. She is so pretty and she's your popping. So this color came out better than I actually expected, because I thought it was gonna be trash because where I messed up with the purple tone. But as you guys can see, the split color has come out perfect. And as you guys can see, it's like a gradient effect, because the roots are like a navy blue and then it fades into the indigo blue, but then it's like in the back it just looks like a jade. Then, you know, it's just got different colors and different gradients of colors, which I love. I don't like just one flat color. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron her. Love this flat iron, by the way. It's the Pro Bliss Nano by, I don't know. Every time I go to say this, I don't know, because it's such a long name. But I'm just using this. I think I'm using this on the setting of 45, and I just take my Beyond the Heat. Is it Beyond the Heat or Beyond the Zone? I think it's Beyond the Zone Heating Protecting Spray. And I'm just, you know, go ahead and flat iron the hair. And we will be back. I'm talking super fast. Don't know why. Maybe it's caffeine. All right, so she's super dope. She's super flowy, and I just used my Aussie conditioner and shampoo, you know, before I did this part. But she's looking bomb.com. Super excited on how it turned out. So yeah, just stay tuned to the rest of the video. I'm talking in there, but you know, I don't need to no longer do this voiceover. Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm about to go ahead and install the hair. So yeah, I have been getting questions about my bonnet, so yeah, I just want to let you guys know. If you follow me on Snapchat, you will know where I got it from. But just in case for you guys who don't know where, or who don't follow me on Snapchat, I did get this from Sally's Beauty. So yeah, so yeah, I did go ahead, as you guys saw in the previous clip, and straighten the hair. So she's on the wig stand currently, so I'm gonna go ahead and take her off and install her. Oh, she looks bomb. Y'all, she looks so pretty. I wanted a like more subtle chill blue, because this is like my first time trying the split, you know, look split. So hopefully it turns out bomb.com. I didn't have any problems with this hair so far. It was definitely easy to work with. I have experienced shedding with this unit, a minimum, and I did get them when I was washing and conditioning hair. So I got a little bit of tangles in between washing and, you know, detangling, of course, in the shower. So this is what she looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and install her. Like I said, y'all already know how I do when it comes to install. I just basically use my got to be glue hairspray and I just glue her down, and that's it.